What's up, everybody? This is Demo Aurelius. We got some caster cups, and they ended up being a little too small, and they still slide. So I won't be getting one today. And something alarming that keeps happening when I turn on my wheel, and I don't like that, but it's got the decimal behind it, so I don't know if that's supposed to be eighths because the other slash is not in there. So whatever. Been a few days since I drove on this thing. It is freaking freezing and I can't feel my extremities. My fingers and my toes are just numb. I don't feel them. So, anyway, besides that, it is cold. It's Martin Luther King's Day, the inauguration, and what all else. First day of the week. I drove the F40 and I couldn't hit my brakes hard enough, so it just kept sliding and hitting stuff. So, yeah. I want to hop on, get a couple of runs in between this and Assetto Corsa, or at least get my daily mileage, but it's not happening today. Watched quite a few videos on Assetto Corsa Evo, and I am kind of glad that my laptop doesn't have 8 gigs, so it won't even stutter anytime I try to do anything with it. So that's a good thing. Tokyo Extreme Racers coming. Can't wait till that pops out. It took the life of my first Dreamcast, so I got one to replace that. And I'm happy that they have this version of Summer Madness. Christmas music on Gran Turismo 6 sent my head spinning like, what the hell? Or was that Gran Turismo Sport? I don't remember. But it was just a whole, okay, so they're doing it for the seasons. Nice. But other than that, I can't wait to drive this damn thing again. Hopefully it's going to get warm soon, because this 30 something degrees, less than 50 degrees during the day. It's getting old. It's no fun. It's no bueno. It got me sick and dealing with all these people out here and not knowing who to what. And I had to start wearing my mask again. So, yeah. Y'all drink water. Try to get out in the sunshine. But no, when we hopped in the car today, I was in that sun and my nose stopped twinging, stopped running and everything. So it felt good to be in a enclosed vehicle with all that heat. So yeah, we were having California, they've been shutting people's powers off. So they shut our power off around 1 o'clock and turned it back on when it was like 5. So we were glad when we got home about 5:30, the power was still on, but my water is warm. So keep the water in the fridge, of course. So other than that, wash your hands, brush your teeth, drink some water, get you some sunlight. Try to be nice. If you ain't got nothing nice to say, don't say nothing at all. And either be good or be good at it, in the words of Sugar Free. So I say, peace.